the 2026 is going to be an interesting year for Operation Dudula because all projects, all campaigns we have done in the past 4 years in our existence, this year are going to come to fruition. We've been learning, we've got experience in what we are doing. So in schools, we have started the campaign. We're going to intensify it. And obviously, the campaign of school, it's got different stages. We've got a stage whereby the first 2 months we'll be trying to place kids on schools, South African kids on schools. In schools, there's an issue of teachers who are foreigners, whereas we've got South African teachers who are sitting at home. That is part of this school campaign, which we will be looking at. In fact, we have already started inviting teachers who are sitting at home to start contacting us so that we can come up with a plan. The campaign of school involves the issue of overcrowding. Operation Dudula throughout the whole year will be intensifying in all these campaigns, and it's going to be an interesting year for us because already, as you alluded or as you said, we've got a Johannesburg High Court interdict. So we'll have to find ways on how to adapt ourselves because obviously Operation Dudula is a grassroots level. Everything we have done is our members wanted to be on the ground. So now we have to change our dynamics on how we work. Now we have to work around this interdict. But it's going to be interesting because it sharpens us. It makes us to think outside of the box. It makes us to come up with ideas on how do we fast track this fight against illegal immigration? How do we fight against the issue of corruption? So this year is going to be a special year for Operation Dudula. We have had a lot of complaints in regards to schools. We've got, in fact, since the campaign started this past Monday, we've had more than 300 parents who have phoned us. Some of them came to the offices to lodge their complaints. And, how we're going to help them is we try to phone the schools, but right now the schools are still opening. So we've got a plan Wednesday, and I know my executive has already contacted the offices of the MEC that we are coming to meet him on Wednesday. We have invited the parents who are affected, and we are inviting the parents right now who are affected, whose children are not placed as yet. We call you wherever you are, say, please try to get hold of Operation Dudula. We're going to be submitting a list to the MEC of Education here in Gauteng, where we will insist that each and every child on our list is placed and is placed where the parent wants them to be placed.